In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an engine air filter on your Dodge Durango. This is going to be located in the front of the vehicle, in the engine bay. Let's get started. We're looking down at the front left of our motor. This is our intake. You're going to have two of these metal clips. Pop them straight back. And we're going to lift up and towards us. And we can remove our air filter. Lift up on the intake and install the filter down into place. We're going to line up those two brackets in the back, and those are going to allow you to hinge the box down in the front, and then pull your metal tabs up over the box and hear them click into place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ, the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.